बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू आवर इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड composition of book 4. Okay, English grammar and composition book 4. Okay, so student, here we are going to do first parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun and adverb. See students, we are going to do this, our parts of speech, okay, in which you are going to do noun, pronoun and adverb. So come on student, let's have look at its definition. What is noun, pronoun and adverb? So students, as you know, noun means the name of a place, animal or thing or person. The name of a person, place or thing is noun, and the pronoun is which is used in place of a noun, and adverb which describes a verb. Okay, so now I will show you definitions and examples so you can understand more nicely. So students, you have to write down also, take your notebook and pencil and look at the definitions and examples. So student, this is our definitions. First we are going to do noun. So what is noun? Noun means the name of person, place or thing. Again I will repeat, noun means the name of person, place or thing. Now let's have look at the example. Example, Rida. So what is Rida? Person. Lahore. What is Lahore? Place. Boy. What is boy? Person. Table. What is a table? Thing. Computer. Thing. City. Place. Like this you can have more examples also. If you can say brother, sister, mother, father or teacher, they all are person, they come in person. And when you talk about place, it's same, like if you say Lahore or city or garden or bathroom or you can say we went to the market. So these things come in place, यानी जगहों में ये चीज़ें आती हैं तो वो उनका नाम लिया मैंने, जो जिनको हम नाउन कहते हैं. उसके बाद जब थिंग की बात करते हैं, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट थिंग, इट्स टेबल, चेयर, पेंसिल, पेन और यू कैन से बुक और रबर और मार्कर, एनीथिंग विच दैट ऑल कम इन थिंग. Okay, so again we will do noun. Noun means the name of person, place or thing. Example, Rida, Lahore, boy, table, computer, city. So now let's move to our another parts of speech, that is pronoun. See students, pronoun. Now what is pronoun? Pronoun means the word used in place of noun. Okay, see students, pronoun means the word used in place of noun, यानी कि वो अल्फाज जो आप नाउन की जगह पे यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही, शी, इट, दे, वी, यू और हेयर, देयर, दोज, these all are the examples of pronoun. Like when you start talking about somebody, if you are talking about your friend, like Aslam is my friend, Aslam is very good boy, Aslam is good in studies, Aslam is a very good swimmer, or Aslam is very good in talking. So again and again you will not use the name. What you will use instead of Aslam? You will say that Aslam is my friend, he is a good boy, he is very good in studies, he respects his mother, he works hard, he is good in playing. So what did you use in place of Aslam? I mean, Aslam is a noun, so what you use in place of that? He. So these are the words which you use in the place of noun. Okay, now here comes our last one, adverb. What is adverb? Adverb, that is word that add something to the meaning or performance of verb. Okay, adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning or performance of verb. Now again students, as we were studying yesterday also, that adverb, it describes a verb. Like you can, what is verb? Verb is actually action we do. Okay, for example, if you say she writes beautifully. Okay, so she writes beautifully. Look students, one example I am just giving you. She writes beautifully. So student, what is the verb here? This, write. Means what action a noun is doing? Writing. So what type of writing she is doing? Beautifully. So this word is describing a verb. It is describing verb. Okay, same way, if you say he plays lazily. See students, he plays lazily. Yes. Now what is the verb here? Play. And what type of play he is playing? Lazily. Okay. So this adverb is describing the verb, that how he is playing or how he eats or how he writes, she, he, they, whatever it is. So adverb is a word that describes the verb. Okay, adverb is word that adds something to the meaning or performance of verb. Now come to examples. Same, beautifully, soon, happily, fast, easily, late. These are your examples for adverb. Okay, again students, have a look at the definitions and please note down. This is first one, noun. Noun means the name of person, place or thing. An example, Rida, Lahore, city, table, computer, city. Then comes pronoun. So what is pronoun? Pronoun means the word used in place of noun. Example, he, she, it, they, we, you. Then the last one, adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning or performance of verb. Example, beautifully, soon, happily, fast, easily, late. These are some examples I have given. If you know any examples from your own, you can write down that also. No problem.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।